Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I just received a new product I want to show you guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video. And now, let's start opening. Here it is, guys. See what's inside here. Let's open up this. Find out with me. The box is really light. Let's see what is that. I thought it's empty box, but it is. It's just a small product. Let's see what it is there. And the box is empty again. And the product I want to show you guys today is really small product. Let's open this. This is just fun. Up. See what's inside there. First thing is I see is the menu. Couple menu. It's your menu, the wireless tools set. Oh, so this is the doorbell. Oh, so today we talk about a doorbell. Huh, cool. What do we have here? First thing I see is a small box. It's small one. Let's see what is this. Oh, look at this. It's already have the lights on already. That is probably the battery. It comes with that already. So this is the doorbell wireless. Oh, cool. That is beautiful, guys. It is. And let's hold on there. We're gonna tap this out when we finish review all inside the box. What is cambered, what is not cambered. So this is the coupon, I think, for upgrade for 2-year warranty for 20% off the other end user. Oh, okay. Log into your account and click order and click find. Click your order and find the product and use the coupon code. Oh, not bad. Not bad. 20% off. I'm gonna put that link down below in this video, so make sure you guys use that code to get the 20% off. And this, it comes with 2 screws, and this one, I guess, it get into the wall. Probably. That's it. But it's really tiny, it's really small. And this is just the 2-tip double side. Right here, double side tape. That's all. And let's talk about this. This is the doorbell. So I think we're gonna test this. I wanna show you guys how this works. Let's see how it works, and then maybe if you like it, you can buy one, put in the house for your doorbell. Let's start. So here it is, guys. We got the wall. So we're gonna plug this in. Let's see how it works. First thing you plug it in, they got the lights pop up, and then you have the wireless plug. I believe just plug it. That is beautiful inside, guys. It's really beautiful. All you have to do is just plug this to the wall and then stick this to the door. And all you have to do is just press it. And you got it, guys. It's really cool, guys. Let's see how far is that. I'm gonna walk outside and then I'm gonna press this. And y'all inside here, you're gonna hear that, okay? And let's start. Wow, it sounds really loud. I can hear outside through the door. Alright, I like this. If y'all like this also, you can click the link down below. I'm gonna put this link down below is so you can get one, and yet I'm gonna put the code down in this video so you can use that code to get the 20% off. And now let's crack this open. And here it is. And I forgot to show you guys is the quick sound. You can change a different sound. They have 4 sound camera there, so they have all different sounds. So you can, if you don't like the sound you just hear, you can just click this. You're gonna go to the next song, and I believe just keep clicking. And this actually you can lower the sound down, like if that's too loud for your house, whatever. So you can click that also. And now, finally, let's open this. First thing all the time is first thing. I see one screw, so we're gonna open it first. See what do we have here. Just fix this thing like this. Just work around with it, and even you work around, it don't come out, guys. There it is. I heard one clip it pop out, and the second clip it come out. So all you have to do is just press this harder. There it is, guys. First thing when you buy this, it all give you the battery included inside there, so that's cool. You don't have to open this up. And I'm gonna put this in link down below. Let's see how the batteries last. Let's see how long the batteries last. Keep going. You see 4 screw hold this. Let's see. I love this doorbell. That is awesome. I might get one more for my house. But my house I have the ring bell door video already. Ooh, that is beautiful, guys. All they use is just one of these. Press it and 2 LED lights, blue color is pop out right away. And this probably is the center signal to this box right here. It's amazing technology. And this, all you have to do is just press hard, it comes right out. So the 4 LED light is should be around here to bright this up like this. There it is. Okay. That is cool. So let's remove this battery. This the battery is 2032. That is good. So the use is 2, 2, 4, 6, and a couple small ones. It's 6. Is what it is. I'm not really good with this, so just want to show you guys review and crack this open. I'm not gonna talk all about this little small thing right here, because I really don't know where it's at, but let's keep it aside. So we actually done one. So we keep go with the big one. Let's see what is inside the big one. First thing I see the screw, small screw up right there, and nothing else. You can remove this. Just one screw hole, but I don't know what is the reason. Is one screw hole right there without nothing else. So I think you're gonna pop the same thing like the first one. So let's keep going. Yes, guys, I got it. And let's keep going. Oh, there you go. It's popped right out. On this side first. Oh my god. That looks a mess inside too, guys. Jeez. Let's keep. So right here I see 2 screws right there and 1 LED light at the top and copper solder at the top here also. For inside here, first thing I see the electric board and speaker and the LED lights, and pretty much that's it. Let's keep getting more inside. Move that 2 screw right there. That. One more right there. And this thing it should come out right now. Oh my god. That is not look simple at the top, you guys, but at the bottom, look at this. Oh my god. That is what we talk about technology. It's about to come up 2021, so they think it's keep getting better. Oh my god, that is the solder. The solder looks so simple. It looks so scary too. If you don't have this code to cover this, you're not gonna use this. Cause it looks so scary for this. And talking about the speaker, all you have to do is just unplug this speaker. This thing it should come out by themselves. There it is. And the speaker, I got 2 clip holder speaker. The speaker is, it looks better than the headphone. The couple video I do on the headphone, the speaker it looks suck. But this speaker it looks so cool. It looks thick and heavy. So that's why it makes the sound loud, so you can hear all inside your house. That is cool. That is a cool thing to make inside. And let's go with this. Oh my gosh. It's too much stuff today inside here, but we cannot talk. I wish we can talk all this. But like I'm saying, I gonna review all this for you guys, but we're not gonna talk about this because who wants to know all this, right? If you want to know all this, you have to go Google and search for yourself. But I'm just here to review to show you guys what's this inside and how it works and the product cool or not. And now, wait, hold on. I forgot to show you guys what I supposed to do with this. Let's follow me. What I supposed to do with this? Let's go. And here it is, guys. That's how I set up to burn this crap out. And I'm gonna put the time in 5 minutes. Let's see. I let this burn in 5 minutes, and let's see what it still have left. And now let's start it. The time I'm gonna put 5 minutes. Let's start it. Let's just see how I burn this. It take me 2 minutes and 20 seconds to burn this crab. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video. And now, bye.